Alright guys, how's it going? Motor Dragon here again. It's been way too long since I've been on the bike. It's been about 2 weeks. It's 8 o'clock at night, pitch black, but it's somewhat dry. It's clear evening, it's not too cold. I just had to get out on the bike, you know. I've been in work all day, I've been cooped up all day. I just had to get out on the bike. I fucking missed this bike. Such a torquey bike, I love it. It's just so fun to ride, and especially that it's not like stupid fast, and I'm only having a little cruise around town, so I don't need to go fast. It's just an all-around fun bike. I think my Velcro came undone. I think I did. I'll have to stop and check. But yeah guys, how's it going? I've no agenda, nothing to talk about, no topic. I just needed to get out to drive. Just needed to get a ride. I haven't been driving, or I haven't ridden the bike. Oh, I forgot about this bump. Haven't ridden the bike in about 2 weeks, and when I went to start it, it didn't really want to start. So the reason why I haven't been riding the bike, the main reason is because the weather's been so bad. A little bit of tunnel. The weather's been so bad. We've had a lot of rainstorms. I've actually just been getting a lift into work with my dad. My dad gets into work stupid early, so I said fuck it, I'll go with him, because the way I can work is the earlier I get in, the earlier I can leave. So I've just been going in with him so I can leave nice and early as well, and because I don't get to see my dad a lot, so it's nice to be able to go in with him and just have chats. Yeah, as I said, the weather's been so bad. Like, it's been, like, even this morning it was a rainstorm, but it's somewhat dry. I just said fuck it, I have to get out. And you may have noticed my big gay high vis. It's lovely, isn't it? And the reason I got that, the actual main reason I got it, is to stop my Rukka jacket getting fucking destroyed. Because the weather's been so bad. Oh shit, the fucking mirrors are. The weather's been that bad. My jacket's been getting fucking filthy, so I just bought this just to keep the worst of it off, and also just because I'd be leaving so early. I just said fuck, a bit of extra high vis isn't gonna harm me, is it? It's gonna help. I also have these new gloves that aren't even broken in yet, and I fucking hate them. Tried to return them, but I couldn't. And this is the reason why. They're such a faff. They bulk up the jacket so much. You seem like my sleeve won't even fucking go over it anymore. Slippy. A hole just rear spun on me there. I'll go the long way around. Actually, I'll cut through the town. This is a different scenery. Yeah, like the jacket just doesn't go over it. The gloves are just so bad, and they were expensive because they're Goretex, and they wouldn't let me fucking return them because they've been used, even though I only used them once. And I understand, I worked in retail and the customer service end of stuff, so I understand it. But I was just like, fuck me lads, they're expensive gloves and they're shit. Help me out. I buy so much. Like, I bought my Rukka jacket, my Dainese pants off them. What way can I go? Oh yeah, let's go around the town. I don't really drive around Drogheda much. Let's go around the town, have the chats on a Tuesday night, I think it is. It does not feel like a Tuesday. My bike's just going to get covered in salt now. It's the only reason why I didn't really want to come out. They're salting the roads now. Normally they just grit them. Normally they do like a salt gravel mix, but now they've just been doing pure salt. You see it on the front of the bike there, and it's on the glass. It's horrible. See, the only thing you have to be careful now in Drogheda is there's so many undercover cops going around now. It's a bit kind of ridiculous. I'm gonna kind of go up and around and loop-de-loop, just because why the fuck not? Oh, there's a new pole getting erected. Isn't that the correct word? When like a pole or a statue or a sign gets put up, erected. Oh, erection. This bike gives me an erection. But yeah, guys, just haven't been out. Have been riding. I'm kind of glad I had the break with the really shitty weather, because I would have just been doing miserable vlog. Though I'm glad I kind of had that break and I can go out now and it's somewhat dry and nice to be able to go out for a spin. There's not a lot to like ride around here, which is the funny part. Like, there's not much to kind of do or see. I think it's still too cold to even try wheelie. Kind of came up there, but not really. Not wheelie, haha. But I had a few videos kind of kept up that I just uploaded after the past kind of 2 weeks. I normally never have videos stocked up, but I had these 2 videos stocked up that I just said fuck it, may as well just upload them. I forgot how shite the mirrors are. So yeah, actually update with the MT-07. I'm still currently loving it, and I have a few things planned. Currently I have Hell black steel braided brake lines here. I'm getting them put on hopefully Friday. I gotta work from home on Friday, which is pretty close, so I can get them put on. And I have plans for other little bits I want to get. So like the screen I have is perfect for me. Like anything bigger and it'll just look absolutely godly, as they say. So godly. But it looks so ugly if I got anything a bit bigger. I actually like this screen. It's a nice screen. Gets the worst of the shit off. You're on a fucking naked bike. What do you expect? You're not going to get the most of the stuff off, and I'm okay with that. I have a few other little bits planned. So the left hand side of this bike was dropped at one stage, but thankfully all the crash protection done its thing. I'm gonna try replace crash bungs for the spools, the rear, and for the side here. I need to really mic this bike. Oh look, there's a vegan sign. Hey, go vegan. Remember that, guys. Go vegan. Don't eat the cows. As delicious as they look, don't eat them. Those signs, they make me lol. They make me laugh just because, like, fuck off, let me eat my food. The world's gone so sensitive. As the term is, snowflake. It's gone so snowflakey, and it really fucking has. And I think this is for another video, but you know, I just hate the way the world's gone. It's a pain in the fucking hole. But yeah, guys, what else I want to get? I might replace the levers. The levers aren't actually too bad, so I might keep them. And the only thing is, I said on the left hand side, the left hand lever got a little bit scraped, but it's not too bad. Bar end actually as well. But what I might get, let me see, I'm trying to think of a route. Okay, I know where I'll go. I'm gonna get bar end or lever protectors. That's what I want to get next, so I'll get them as well. I'm torn between getting a belly pan. They're like stupid expensive and they don't really do much, to be honest. They don't offer as much protection as other belly pans. Like, they're really fucking tin. Hey sir, how are you? They're really, really tin. Like, they don't protect the pipes or the bottom of the engine as much as a normal belly pan, and they don't look incredibly nice either. So I don't think I'm gonna bother, because they're like 150, 160 pounds. So you're talking like 180, 190 euro unpainted. And I have seen like purple ones for this bike, like the dark purple, but you know, they're a little bit expensive. I don't fucking want that. Because it's a cheap bike, I don't want to put so much into it and, you know, not get any money or just lose a stupid amount of money over like mods. because it has the exhaust, which is the main thing. Yeah, boy. So it has the exhaust, which I'm fine with. I love the exhaust, sounds so fucking nice. Has a few other nice little bits that I like. As I said, the levers and the screens. I might do the indicators, because the indicators are just, you know, they're stock, they're big and they're ugly and they're shit. So I might do them. I like the rear taillight. But other than that, like, there's nothing I'd change on the bike, you know. I'd be very happy not doing any of that on the bike. Oh, that was a bump. But, you know, I just want to do a few bits to make it kind of mine. The only shit thing is, it's like stupid money for it. And I'm not even on about like big brands. Like, obviously if I was getting the crash protection, I'd be going RNG, because there's RNG already on it. So I'd have to stick with that, just because it's going to look weird and you're going to buy a set anyway. But I want to see if I can buy singular ones, because the right hand side is perfectly fine, but the left hand side, as I said, it was dropped at one stage in its life. So, you know, I want that kind of sorted, just for me. One of the big ones I want to look into, and I haven't seen too many, I've seen pictures alright, but there's not a lot out there, is I want to change the suspension. The front forks. The rear suspension on this bike is actually very nice. It's perfect for like a road bike that you might take to the track, but it's just the front suspension is shit. It's really, really bad. It's really soft, so I want to either change them for upside down forks if I can find a bike that they fit. I've kind of seen them and they all look a bit weird, to be honest. Kind of changes the stance of the bike. Or if I can just put kind of stiffer springs in it, but I don't know how much that's going to cost. Thinking the little mods like the crash protection, the lever protectors, I will do. As I said, I am doing the brake lines. I really like steel brake lines. They do change the bike so much. They change your confidence on the bike, because of how nicely it brakes, how nice of a bite the brake is. So I'm doing them. They're here, just getting time to actually go down and get them put on. But other than that, there's not too much. I really like this bike. There's no point sticking, you know, money into a bike like this that, you know, it's going to be my daily bike. The ZX6 and the R6, the sports bikes, they're slightly different, because they're a lot more desirable when you stick, you know, nice components, nice parts on the bike. A lot of people will buy it so fast. But if I was to put nice parts on this and then up the price, people are going to be like, I'm just going to buy a fucking new one, you know? So you're kind of torn that way with them. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to have a chat, make a video, get out for a ride. As you can probably tell, a bit more happier, upbeat than usual. I'm just happy to be out while it's dry, you know, for a nice spin after work, clear the old head. So I'm nice and happy this evening. I was kind of hoping I could do a bit of wheelie practice. There's a bit too many cars, a bit too much traffic. For 8:30 as well, there's a lot of traffic. Too many vehicles. But look, guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of the mods, ideas. If you have any other suggestions, let me know. The brainwave, before anyone does say it, the thought did go through my head about wrapping the bike, because there's fuck all to wrap. You know, 2 little plastic pieces beside the tank and a front hugger. You know, there's nothing. So that thought did go through my head, and it could happen, to be honest. I do like the idea of a nice, like, candy colour, which would be very nice, but I don't know. That's, you know, it's something that I don't really need or have time or want to bother with at the moment. But look, guys, it's a video. Hope you enjoyed. Again, let me know what you guys think. The mods, if there's any that you would like to see or seen other, you know, people with MT-07s do that maybe I haven't seen yet, let me know, guys. But look, guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you all in the next video.